Why is Microsoft Word better than Google Docs? Google and Microsoft Word both are substantially the best word processing softwares. Users are usually baffled between both of them. For Google Docs consists of a comprehensive suite of online approaches with plenty of collaboration tools. Microsoft is already a winner when it comes to creativity and customization. Gad Insiders rounded up a few significant reasons why Microsoft Word is considered better than Google Docs. Focus mode. Microsoft Word allows users to freely express their thoughts, as a few word processing programs, including AI Writer, Drafts, and more, provide a great focus mode to easily veil the distractions that seamlessly comes over the screen. This lets users mitigate all the unwanted user interface elements such as third-party apps, status bar, menu bar, and more, while drafting any research paper or writing sample by enabling focus mode. Read aloud. Whether you're a writer or not, it's a must-have tool for proofreading. Before publishing your content on any official site or submitting to an institute, users should use this text-to-speech read aloud tool to instantly detect errors, grammatical mistakes, unusual phrases, and more to deliver an excellent draft. This is how to enable it. Firstly, go to Review and then Speech, then click on Read Aloud. While using Google Docs, users would have to activate any third-party extensions to use text-to-speech. Customization. Microsoft Word provides you an extensive range of customization options, as it lets you enable a quick access toolbar with a status bar at the bottom, supports backgrounds, Office themes. Additionally, users are allowed to customize an adequate ribbon according to themselves. So Word is quite flexible as compared to Google Docs, which also has less customization options.